So I think hats are very underrated, and here's proof. Here are 3 people, all of them look good in hats, but look what happens when I take them away. See, this is direct correlation to not having hats in your life, and which is why I think that everyone needs them. No hats, not even once. But really, I think hats play a major make or break role in your fits for sure. It's one of those things where it's like you never notice how good you had it till it's gone. You know, I mean, it's probably not that big a deal, but I'm gonna break the video down into 3 things, and they're gonna be style, versatility, and value. So yeah, let's diners, drive-ins, and dive right into this. So for style, it's simple. There's a type of hat for any look, and I mean any. Casual, dapper, tech wear. Your overall style is going to change over time, as things always do, but there's always a hat for an aesthetic. It's very understated because humans are born with a natural hat. It's called hair. But I really don't get the understating, as their prime real estate of your outfit. It's on top of your head, so it's literally the first thing you see. Example, if you're talking to a hot girl, she's primarily going to look at your face because women have manners, unlike guys. And your face is definitely complimented if you have a nice hat. Hats can accent or complement your fit depending on the shape. There's a different hat for every face shape, but a good rule of thumb is to go with the shape of your face instead of trying to compensate for it. And if you do try to combat it, it just looks kind of off. And you know, now people are looking at your ugly hat on top of your ugly. So yeah, if you're not handsome with a personality to match, you're gonna need all the help you can get. I'm telling you, hats, bro. Why do you think I wear hats all the time? Gotta compensate somewhere. And what's in my pants isn't helping. If you're more into casual streetwear, there's the dad hat or the camp cap. They fit perfectly. If you're into more sporty stuff, a dad hat, or this one's kind of coming back in, the trucker hat. I've been wearing these a lot personally, as I really like the material combo, but I'm seeing a lot of high-end brands do this now, so I can definitely see them coming back. Another tip I have is to try and not mix graphics. If you have a graphic shirt, don't counter it with a graphic hat. Instead, you can opt for a scripted one. That's just words, or, you know, you could even just don't do it, just rock it plain. But there's room for hats in any style, and you should be open to it. Next up, we got versatility. There's not much that can go with as many outfits as a black hat. Being common doesn't make it bad. There's a reason everyone wears black hats. They look good. I know at one point in your life, your mom has asked you, so if your friends jump off the cliff, you want to? And the right answer? If you love me, let me go. But yeah, I usually just keep a couple black hats I rotate between. Makes my life easier knowing that my hats are gonna match with whatever fit. Also that too, everyone has bad hair days. Some people just have bad hair. Some people just have bad. But I can't count how many times I just want to leave my house as fast as I could for whatever reason, whether I be late for work or school. No time to do my hair, and I'm not about to pull up looking like Corbin Blue. So then I have that basic hat on deck. Convenience is key, and hats make it easier to live life. Life hack? More like life hat. Lastly, we got value. Alexa, Google search for dad hat.
Searching Google for sugar daddies in your area.
What? But most hats are around the $20 to $30 range. If you add premium add-ons like toppings, $40 to $50, but that's the standard for most part, unless it's like, you know, high-end or something. But there's no difference. They do the same thing. There's no reason to go high-end on something that does the same thing as your regular one. Sometimes I wish I could take my own advice, but it doesn't work all the time. But the value you're getting for your money on hats is probably the most bang for your buck you're gonna get in streetwear. Plus, when the sun's in your eye, don't be squinting at me. I got a hat, bro. Sun does no damage to me. Okay, so thanks for watching the video, guys, and hopefully you learned the importance of hats. Leave a like and comment your favorite brand of hat, and I'll try and get back to you. And go follow my Instagram at ChristianVY as well, and tweet at me at ChristianVYYT. Yeah, respect women.